Every morning in Delhi, people ask the same question. Will it be sunny or rainy today? But weather apps can be slow or confusing. So today, we'll make our own AI-powered weather station using CyberPi and mBlock. In this project, our CyberPi AI weather station will display current weather condition, humidity level, maximum and minimum temperatures. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at our setup. Here's our CyberPi, a smart microcontroller with a built-in microphone, Wi-Fi connectivity. We've also used the Pocket Shield. It has a built-in battery and allows us to run CyberPi anywhere, even without a cable. Finally, a USB cable which we will use to connect the CyberPi to our laptop using mBlock software. Let's start coding in mBlock. First, connect your CyberPi and open the AI extension. To get weather data for your city, we'll clear the screen first, then print the city name Delhi weather. Next, we'll use AI blocks to display the weather in Delhi, the humidity in Delhi, the maximum and minimum temperatures in Delhi. Finally, we print a small note, press A to continue, to refresh or move ahead. Now let's test our AI weather station. CyberPi connects to Wi-Fi, sends a request through the AI block, and fetches real-time data for New Delhi. On the CyberPi screen, we can see weather, smoke, humidity 33%, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 12 degrees Celsius. How cool is that? CyberPi just became your personal AI-powered weather reporter. In this project, we learned how to use AI blocks in mBlock to fetch real-time data, display information beautifully on CyberPi screen, create a working IoT plus AI weather station with no extra sensors. Try changing the city name to yours and see the magic happen. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our AI and IoT course at Maker's Place. To get your own CyberPi, visit the Edu Marketplace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.